Hey guys, if you are new, welcome. I used to have a schedule of when I would upload, but now it's just way too busy. I've been gone for a while. It's too much. So now I'm just gonna upload whenever I can. So many of you have suggested that I film multiple videos when I am able to film, and honestly, I'm even too busy for that. Like, I am able to get one video filmed because it takes about an hour and a half to really get things filmed. And I don't have more than that in a day because I am a nanny full-time. I have another career that I'm trying to start, and I am helping my dad with his real estate business. So there's just a lot going on, and I want to get healthy. My husband and I are going to Bali again in July, and I obviously want to have a nice body that I am proud to show off in a bikini. Like, I'm not shy about it, but I'm not like super excited to show it off right now. So I've been working out like 4 times a week. I mean, that in itself is another hour in my day, and yeah, it's just a lot. So I'm just gonna upload videos when I am able and film videos when I am able. I'm not gonna have a schedule, and it's not really like it's gonna matter if I have a schedule because the algorithm on YouTube is crap now. Like, I can't get monetized anymore, which I don't care about. I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to be able to do something. Back when I first started my channel, I had lost my job and I wasn't doing anything. I didn't have anything to do, and I couldn't go anywhere because then that would require me to have money for gas. And so this was just something that I was able to do, and it was a creative outlet for me. I'm still gonna keep uploading, and I'm just gonna play with makeup today. Comment down below letting me know if you want me to do the whole I tried someone's makeup tutorial. I think I might want to try to do either Jaclyn Hill's or Kathleen Light's makeup tutorials. I'm leaning more towards Kathleen Light's because I just love her. I think she is awesome. But let me know if you want me to try to make that video. I just learned how to record my screen. I'm not 100% how I put it, like video in video. I'm really bad at technological things that are more than just cutting the video. I don't really know how to do all the like special effects stuff, so we'll try to figure that out too. So let me know. Comment down below if you want me to do a I tried Kathleen Light's makeup tutorials or I tried Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorials. Who would you rather I do? And if you're interested in playing with makeup with me, then just keep watching. Today I am going to be using new makeup brushes in this video too. These are by Delium Tools, and my hubby got them for me for my birthday. For those of you who don't know, my birthday was the day before Valentine's Day. Don't really have an idea in mind. I'm gonna prime my face with No Pore-Blem. So for my birthday, my dad took me to get a Hydra facial, and I am now like so in love with those facials. Prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the NYX high definition eyeshadow base. Good thing I don't have you guys like super zoomed in because my eyebrows, I seriously need to get my eyebrows threaded. I think the star of today's eye look is going to be the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to use the Delium 785 brush. I'm going to take my Stila Eyes Are the Window shadow palette in Mind, and I'm just taking this shade, which is called Creativity, maybe? I'm not quite sure, but I'm just gonna dust that all over my lid. With the same brush, the 785, I think I'm gonna go in with this color. Can't find my sheet that has the names, but this one. I'm gonna go in with this color. So with Steven being gone, I'm not sleeping the greatest, especially the first 2 nights that he was gone. I did not sleep well at all. One of the nights I really freaked myself out because I forgot that the dishwasher was going, and it made this like knocking noise at 11 o'clock at night, and I legit thought someone was knocking on my door, and I was like, oh no, what do I do? Do I call the police? I'm gonna lock the door. And yeah, I mean, our front door is always locked. always, especially when he's gone. Steven actually says that our house is like Fort Knox. But yeah, I legit thought someone was knocking on the door at 11 o'clock at night, and I was like, I'm not expecting anyone. I was running through my mind like what I would say to 911 dispatch, and it was bad. I realized that it was the dishwasher. I'm going to take this 766. I think I'm going to take this color. This is kind of like an angled eyeshadow brush. Put this here. So for those of you who are actually interested, I mentioned before that I started this channel for fun, no other reason. Like, I really wanted this channel to take me down another path, still having to do with makeup, but I never like expected my channel to be like famous and all that stuff. I know a lot of people on here want to have that like famous big YouTube channel, but that's just not really me. I feel like that ends up making your life kind of big, and I don't want a big life. I want a really humble life, I guess. All the new rules I don't really care about. It's not what brought me here anyway. I'm gonna go back in with that color that I used in my crease, and I'm gonna go back over my crease. For those of you that are new, my husband is a teacher, so he gets a lot of time off of work. We use our money from tax return to go on trips. If we didn't get tax return, we probably wouldn't be able to afford to go anywhere, but that's the way we afford to go places, is with our tax return. He is currently in Panama to surf, which is pretty much the only reason why we go on vacations, is for him to go surfing, which I don't mind because that always means that we go somewhere tropical. I could have gone. I just chose to stay home because I want us to be able to save more money. Since I'm a nanny, if I take off of work, I have to forfeit that money. It's not like I'm on salary or anything. So I wanted to be able to save money while he was gone. Should I be crazy and put some blue-ish in here? Kind of like a sunset? I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't have anywhere to go anyway, so I am going to take the Dare to Create palette, which I found out is no longer for sale, so that's a bummer, and I'm sorry if you didn't get your hands on it, but if you do have this palette, I am going to use this navy blue color right here. If you don't have this palette and you have another palette that might have a navy blue or perhaps just a single eyeshadow, then use that. But I am going to put that on my lid. I'm first just gonna press it because I don't want there to be a ton of fallout. So once January hit, I kind of wanted to figure out a new life path. Not that my life is horrible or anything. I love my life. I just want something different. I don't want to be a nanny anymore, especially if we have a baby anytime soon. I just don't want to take care of other children when I could be taking care of my own child. So I've got to figure out a way to make more money because my husband has pretty much exhausted his way. Oh god. Oh geez. As I was saying, my husband has exhausted his ways of making more money. He is on salary, so he just pretty much has to just wait for his raises now. He doesn't have a PhD, but we calculated out that it ended up being that he would actually be paying more money for his PhD than he would be earning. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna keep going though. So I need to be the one to make more money, and I'm totally fine with that because right now I make like hardly anything. Certainly not enough to support a baby if I were to have one. Oh my gosh. This stuff is just like going everywhere. The blue is just flicking everywhere. I'm gonna take the blending brush. There's nothing else on this. I'm just gonna blend out the edge. This isn't looking too great, guys. Kind of looking like a disaster. I'm gonna go back in with this orangey red from the Jaclyn Hill palette. See if I can save this. Oh gosh, no, I can't. Oh geez, this is looking bad. I'm gonna do a redo because look at this. Look how terrible this is looking. I'll be right back. All right, so I did all the steps up until the blue. I'm not gonna do the blue anymore. So probably do something shimmery on the eyes, but I'm not exactly sure what color I want. Should it be gold? All right, so now I'm going to take this gold shade using a concealer brush. This is the Bogashi. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna use this gold. And I don't think I'm going to spray it because I don't really want it to be too intense. So I'm just going to put it on my lid. I think I might actually have to wet my brush. So I'm gonna wet it with my Fix Plus. That's looking pretty good. I have no idea where I left off on like talking to you guys about stuff. Does anyone else hate when their significant other is out of town? I get so bored because I'm not bugging anyone. Like when you get married or when you start living with your boyfriend, the best part about living with them is bugging them, right? And I don't have anyone to bug. I'm now gonna take my Morphe M322 and I think I'm gonna go in with like this darker brown shade and tie in some brown because it kind of seems like this has even though it's gold, it seems like it has like a brown undertone, so I'm just gonna carry in some brown a little bit. I actually think I'm gonna dunk it and mix it with, I don't even know what color this is. It's like a purpley brown. I'm just trying to darken that corner a little bit. And since my Delium blending brush is covered in blue, I have to use one of my Morphe brushes. Blend this out a little bit. I know that some of my husband's students follow me. Hi guys. I don't know exactly who. If you are my husband's student, please comment down below letting me know. I would love to say hi to you guys. But one of you mentioned to him that I needed better brushes, which I agree to some extent. Like I don't have a ton of money, so I don't buy like the fanciest brushes. If I did, then I totally would. But I would rather spend my money on makeup than brushes, because these do just fine. But I do need better brushes, which is why I asked him to buy me those brushes for my birthday. There we go, I like how that turned out. I'm gonna try something new today. I'm going to do my eyebrows before my foundation, and we'll see how I like that. I'm probably not gonna like it, honestly, but let's just try. It's always good to try something new. So this is the NYX I can never say this word. Precision Brow Pencil. I believe it's in the shade Taupe. Now I will put on my foundation. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD foundation in N127 and just put that directly on my face. Steven is messaging me right now because it is dinner time over there. It's like East Coast time in Panama. So right now he's having dinner and his dinner looks so good and it's making me hungry, which is one thing I really miss about him not being home. I hate cooking. If you don't know that, I really hate cooking. And thankfully, Steven enjoys cooking, so he usually cooks. And also, I usually work until like 5, and so I'm not home until like 5:30. And the last thing I want to do right when I get home is start cooking. Like I do it every once in a while, but I just really hate having to cook the second I get home. So I'll always text him like, hey, can you start cooking, blah, 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 blah. What? What? There is blue on my forehead. How did that happen? Where did that come from? That is so weird. Okay, so the reason why I said I wasn't going to like doing my eyebrows first is because I feel like I have to be so careful around my eyebrows with this beauty blender. Yeah, I don't particularly love that, but whatever, it's fine. For concealer, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and mix it with my Tarte Shape Tape. I am going to use about, 2 wands of this stuff. 3. Because this is in the shade Medium 2 Ginger. And then I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Light Neutral. And hopefully I won't look so orangey. The Radiant Creamy Concealer is a little bit too orange for me. Not when I'm tan though. It's pretty perfect when I'm tan. Alright, and then I'm going to set my under eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder as per usual. And I'm going to use this little Laura Mercier brush. Then I'm going to take this crown brush. There is no number on it, but I got it in a BoxyCharm, and I'm going to use that to powder my whole face. Alright, so now my face is all set, and then I'm going to go back to my eyes, and I think I'm honestly just going to take whatever is left on this brush, this angled brush that I had, it's more of the reddish tone, and sweep it under my eyes. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And as always, using my Lash Blast Volume No, that was my old favorite. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I kind of really want to try the Benefit, like, big girl lash or something like that. I really want to try that, except every time I try a high-end mascara, it doesn't work out for me because it's not a waterproof mascara. So my eyelashes just lose their curl so fast and just get weighed down. So I'm on the fence on whether I actually am going to try it or not. But I can always try it and return it if it doesn't work out. Next, I'm going to bronze and blush and highlight. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. I seriously need to wash my brush. I really suck at these whole like chatting with you things because I can never multitask. I can never do my makeup and chat at the same time. So I honestly don't remember what we were talking about. So annoying. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani Powder Rose in Tea Rose. Powder blush in Tea Rose. And with that, I'm going to use my Real Techniques Dual Fiber Face Brush. For highlight, I'm going to use this Naked Cosmetics highlight palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. And as usual, my fan brush, which I have pretty much rubbed away the number 4. This is the R12 by Morphe. And I think I'm going to go in with the pinkier shade. For my lips, I'm going to use this Galactic Posh. This is a matte lip paint, and it should match pretty well with my eyes. A little more pink, but that's okay. And there we go. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching this disaster of a video. Things didn't work out, had to restart, forgot what I was talking to you guys about multiple times, but thank you so much for watching anyway. By the way, I also know that I did hit 500 subscribers by my birthday, and I am so happy that I reached my goal. So thank you so much. I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I've been saying that since I started my channel, that I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm just going to compile like a stash of stuff. I've already been doing that, but I'm gonna get some bigger ticket items for the giveaway. Comment down below what you think my big ticket items should be. Should it be like a gift card to Sephora or Ulta, or should it be an actual like palette, like a high-end palette? Let me know down below. I want to know who you want me to do a makeup tutorial video, I tried it thing. Let me know who you want me to do, Jaclyn Hill or Kathleen Lights. And then also down below, let me know what my big ticket item for my 500 subscriber giveaway should be. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.